Hello, it's time for your Notes to Inspire, all the way from Maui. So, okay, I can't believe I'm out here right now because just about 30 minutes ago it was pouring down rain. That's right, there's a hurricane coming through. My retreat is actually happening between two hurricanes. Apparently a third one's on the way. So today was the best day for the hurricane to hit because I was doing a cooking class. But I'm not gonna lie, I was like super nervous. I planned this entire retreat last year, the same exact week. It was just really hot, but like it didn't rain, right? And we do outdoor Pilates classes and we eat outside every day, and it's just like we go on walks and we want to go stand up paddleboarding. It was just all this great stuff was planned. Today, while we're doing a cooking class, learning how to make sauces because our chef was so kind to teach us how to do this, the wind shifted, boom, and then the rain came pouring down. Chicken's out, sauces are out, we're all out here like kind of in our bathing suits. We had to grab everything, run into the house, which is not set up to feed 7 people. But we made it happen. Why do you care about this? Because everything you do in your business, you're gonna plan out. Everything you do in your goals, you're gonna plan out. And then the skies are gonna open up, the wind's gonna change, and it's going to blow your goals and plans all over the place. And it really just matters how you handle that. That's all that matters. So, do you grab everything as quickly as you can, run inside and keep going? Or do you get really frustrated, stomp around, grab everything and then mope or complain or get hung up on how it didn't go the way you planned it? There are also many options in between, right? What I promise you is every time I've just picked up, moved out of the rain and tried to figure out how to keep the train going, it's always been better. It's always ended really well. And every time I have gotten focused on what didn't go right, gosh, that's all I remember. But really, the only reason I can remember it's rained, to tell you this story, is because I'm standing in a puddle of water. And I was like, oh my God, that's right, we were just out here trying to cook and have a party, and we had to run inside. And everyone just went with it. So just remember, the winds will always change. The sky's gonna blow some rain on you when you're least expecting it. But it's how you react and what you decide to do with that rain that really makes a difference. That's your Notes to Inspire for this week. I hope it makes a difference to you, and I will see you next week.